Hello Galaxy, I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. I have the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. You can hear it going off with all these notifications flying in. Boy, I must be very popular in my own head. Okay, admittedly, I sent myself an email just so the notifications went off. So I love this device. It works very well. The one thing I love most above everything else is the software performance. It melts away. I generally do not think about this phone when I'm using it. And I love that. The software just works seamlessly. Very few, if any, hiccups, because of course, it's not perfect. But the software experience, rockstar, stellar. Speaking of stellar, the battery life. And trust me, I have been pushing this thing to its limits every single day. I'll go IRL in real life on the Twitch stream at live.pirillo.com, like live video from my phone as I've got it mounted on my car, I guess the vent. I've got a little clip on it. So I feel like I'm able, even using that, to get through an entire day to the evening, right? Where people would consider that being a full day. Well, I guess maybe you stay up late and consider that a full. Either way, I can get back to a charger, but the battery keeps going and going and going, and I love that. The third thing that I love, the photos. The photos have been fantastic. Maybe they're not consistent between the lenses, maybe not consistent between takes. There are still some bug fixes they got to push down the pike, but for the most part, no one's complained about the photos I take.